What you can see at the right side of the image, the brightest spot, which is just near the edge, is one of the biggest volcanoes on the moon. And that volcano, it took so long to identify it as a volcano. This is a, you can see this is something like Iceland. It is a mantle plume which has accumulated over many, thousands of years. Lots of lava. What you see here is Herodotus crater. Then that curly line is called Cobra's head. Is actually a lava tube. And the bright crater was, I think, Eratosthenes. Oh, Aristarchus. Yeah, Aristarchus, I think. Yeah, that was it. It took so many years to identify it. I look with a geologist's eye to this lunar landscape, and everywhere I see that craters are superficial features, and I see everywhere the effects of volcanism. Like what you see now also beside, this is part of the Alpine mountain. This is Iridium Bay, the crater is there, and I can see some volcanic dome exactly on two parallel fault lines. Is a graben. I'll refer to the map and just show it to you later, but at the moment I just, this 8-inch telescope, I can show you some of these features that I'm talking about. I think among thousands of people who observe the moon every year, every night, not a single one of them is a geologist. They don't know what they are looking at. I like to compare that volcanic structure that I showed you, and I'm zooming on it now. Compare it to Olympus, Mons Olympus on the Mars. A complete volcanic dome, volcanic shield. Call it Schroter's Valley. Probably should call it Schroter's Volcano, Shield Volcano. Okay, now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept